What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hook up a fridge properly. Most of the fridges in today's market have a built-in water and ice dispenser built into them. In separate videos I also explained how to install each and every one of the appliances that you can see in this kitchen. So if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I also left the links for those videos in the descriptions below in case you're interested. Before any further ado, let's get into this one first. In today's video, I'm working in a brand new house and this 1/4 inch water valve was installed by the builder. So this is going to supply the water to our new fridge. For this job, we're going to need a hose that has 1/4 inch connectors on both ends. These pipes also come in plastic version, but I highly recommend you to get something braided steel like the one that I'm showing you here because it's the most durable and it's going to last the longest. The first thing I do is removing that compression fitting from the valve because we're not going to be using it in this case. And then we're going to connect the hose that we just purchased. You don't have to use any Teflon tape on the valve because the inside part of the connection on this hose has a gasket on it, and when you tighten it up it's going to seal up and give you a watertight connection. Now at the back side of the fridge we're going to have another water connection like this one. Sometimes this is located on the very bottom of the fridge and it's mounted right onto the body of the fridge. In this case it's attached to a hose. Now it's time to attach our hose to this connection. The procedure is going to be the same. We don't have to apply any Teflon because this fitting already has a gasket, and when you tighten it up, it's going to be nice and sealed. Now it's time to open the water valve and check for any leakage. I normally open the water valve about 3/4 of a turn because the pressure in some cities are too much, and sometimes when you're trying to get water from the fridge, the pipes at the back side of the fridge is going to be banging onto the walls. That's a sign that your water pressure is too much. So in that case, it's a good idea not to open the valve all the way. This fridge was just delivered here, and every time you get a new fridge delivered, you have to wait at least 10 to 12 hours before you hook up the power so that the Freon gas inside it can settle down in the bottom. So I turned off the fridge breaker from the main panel, and then I went back to the fridge and hooked it up to the outlet. Keep in mind, there's no power to the outlet right now because I turned it off. I told the homeowner to turn it on after 12 hours. At this point, the installation is completed. Just don't forget after you hook it up, dump out the first gallon of water that you get from the fountain because you want all these lines to be cleaned up before you start drinking from it. And also when your fridge starts making the ice, make sure you get rid of the first load. This way all the lines are cleaned up and you're gonna have the nicest and cleanest ice and water. As far as the maintenance, make sure to change your water filter and the air filter inside your fridge about every 4 to 5 months at the very max. As far as cleaning your fridge, make sure to only use microfiber cloth on the outside of it, especially if it's a stainless steel one. And also, if you want to use some kind of a cleaner, make sure it's rated for a stainless steel. There you have it guys, this fridge is installed and it's working super amazing. One more time, I also have other videos explaining how to install pretty much any type of appliance. And also if you like renovation related videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if this video was any help, please make sure you hit that like button. Thank you very much. Till next time, peace.